The strange sound in the walls that revealed a 20-year secret. For 3 months, my daughter, Maya, complained about a scratching sound coming from her bedroom wall. She was 7, so I figured it was just an overactive imagination, or maybe a squirrel that found a way into the attic. I'd go in there, knock on the drywall, hear nothing, and tell her to go back to sleep. But then Maya started getting these weird, itchy rashes on her arms, and she developed a persistent dry cough that only happened at night. The pediatrician said it was probably just seasonal allergies, but deep down, I knew something was wrong. One Saturday, I finally lost my cool. I grabbed a crowbar and decided to rip a hole in the guest room wall, which shared a partition with Maya's closet. I expected to find a nest of mice, or maybe some leaky pipes. Instead, as the drywall crumbled, I found a hollow space that shouldn't have been there. It was a tiny hidden room, barely big enough for a twin mattress, and on the floor, tucked into a corner, was a small dusty backpack from the late 90s. Inside the bag was a diary. The last entry was dated June 1998. It said, "He told me if I made another sound, I'd never see the sun again. I'm hiding this here so someone knows I existed." It was signed, Leo. I felt the blood drain from my face. I called the police immediately. It turns out Leo was a local boy who disappeared 25 years ago. The previous owner of my house had been his primary school teacher, a man everyone thought was a saint. Because of Maya's scratching sound, they searched the backyard and found what was left of Leo. He finally got to go home. And my daughter's cough, it vanished the day we cleared out that hidden room. Some things stay buried for a reason, but sometimes the house just needs you to listen.